Check this out. A lady in a car ahead stops smack dab in the middle of the street, then out of nowhere, starts reversing. Who needs turn signals when you've got surprises, right?
What the f***? You put your hazard on! You put your hazard on, man! Your hazard is on! You didn't put your indicator! There's no indicator, it's the hazard on! Hazard! It's the hazard! Look what you're doing! Look what you're doing! Yeah, it's the hazard on! Your hazard is on! There's no indicator! Yes, I did! Your hazard is on! So you put no indicator, so I don't know if you're turning left or right! So where are you turning, right or left? Or you turning left and right at the same time? Thank you. Yeah, use your brain next time. Use your brain. Use your brain. Woman. Oh my God.
Yeah, this goose. Only a Tesla. Drive down the friggin' footpath, you idiot. You friggin' idiot.
This biker had a tailgater shadowing him like a clingy ex. Almost had a crash to boot.
No, but you passed me on the left. I have a video. I'll record the whole thing.
I'm not trying to be a jerk.
And you pushed me on the left, so don't.
Oh, I was just trying to get around you. I wasn't trying to be.
I'm going right.
I wasn't trying to be.
I'm gonna go straight.
It
came on my left.
Hey, I wasn't trying to be a jerk.
I'm going that way.
I was just trying to get around you, and you gunned
on the left.
Yeah, because there's two lanes right here.
I was in the left lane.
Well, it looked like you were going in the right. I wasn't trying to offend you.
It's okay. That's why I gunned it, and then I want to go this way.
Hey, we're good. We're good. I wasn't trying to offend you.
I know.
I was trying to get around you.
I know it's Texas people, you know.
Yeah.
But I was on the left, and I don't want to block traffic. I had to get out of there because I don't have anything around me.
Hey, no. I just want to make sure you didn't think I was pissed off at you. I was trying to get around you, I thought. And it looked like you were trying to take the right.
No, I have the whole lane, so like I'm on the far right of the lane because there's a left turn. I'm not taking a left, I was going straight.
Yeah, you're good, man. Hey, I'm not trying to piss you off.
Alright.
This dash cam caught an instant justice on video.
Oh, he got him. A little excitement.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ. You really think that was a good idea?
Seriously, drivers like this should have their licenses revoked. Like, permanently. This driver with dash cam came across a really bad driver in a Range Rover. Check out what he did.
What are you doing? LD12 XKL 325 Sunday the 7th. Drove me off the road, brake tested me. How are you doing? Obstructing the highway. Absolutely no reason to do that.
In 300 yards, turn left.
And here's a classic. A pickup truck driver on a power trip bullying everyone on the highway. How original.
What's up, G? What the f?
Pay attention, cunthead! Truck 314, license plate DE30046. I already got all your info, buddy. I got all of it. It's going straight to your company. Driving like a clown. What the?
Specifically, he flipped a page. He was 5 foot.
A little bit of faith that all things are going to work together eventually. Maybe not today. Your faith was strengthened or your love was deepened. Think about tonight. We'll be back. You're listening to the
This driver owes his dash cam big time. His front and rear cams caught everything when a black SUV driver tried to dodge blame. The cops saw the footage, gave her a ticket, and after almost a year of battling insurance, justice was finally served. Alright, let's dive into the Hall of Fame for terrible drivers caught by dash cams. Grab your popcorn, it's going to be a ride. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below which clip you liked the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.